We'll guide you through how to log into Streamlabs effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Streamlabs website by typing in streamlabs.com in the address bar. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options to log in. You can use your Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or another service account to sign in, depending on how you've set up your Streamlabs account. Let's say you want to log in using Twitch. Click on the Twitch icon, and you will be redirected to the Twitch login page. Here, enter your Twitch username and password, then click login. If it's your first time logging in, Twitch may ask you to authorize Streamlabs to access your account. Simply click Authorize to proceed. For added security, Streamlabs might prompt you to enable two-factor authentication, which is a great way to keep your account secure. Follow the instructions to set that up if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Streamlabs dashboard, where you can start streaming, customize your alerts, and manage your settings. If you encounter any issues during login, make sure your browser is up to date, and clear your cache and cookies if necessary. And there you have it. You're now logged into Streamlabs and ready to start creating amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.